Well, Worldwatch is 11 p.m. PST, June 27th. And what can I say? We got area of low pressure PST forming offshore of the southeastern coast of the United States and in a frontal zone in a couple of days. Gradual development of this system will be possible thereafter while it drifts westward at 20% at 7 days. So there's not a hell of a lot of model support for this, but there is some. Um, and we'll have to see. I mean, let's look at 60 hours on the ECMWF. Well, look at that right there. A closed isobor. Here's our front. Here's 72 hours. That's not exactly a very strong system. Let's look at the GFS. Yeah, very little. Here's the UK match. It forms around 60 hours and dissipates about 120 hours on that model. And I mean, I agree with 20. I mean, this thing does not have a great chance of formation, but it's probably the single most interesting system in Atlantic in the next week or maybe 2 weeks. And I think it's worth watching. Now we're going to look at the Eastern Pacific, which has a more interesting system that will be forming over the next few days and could become a depression by the middle of next week. Has 20% at 2 days, 50% at 7 days. Will clearly not affect any land, and probably out in here at 72 hours. There's 96 hours, 1005. 120 hours. It's still around. I agree with 50%. I mean, this thing had about the same chances as the system before it, which I think the other system was probably depressed for a short time, but I see as a much higher standard for the Eastern Pacific um, compared to the Gulf of Mexico with Arthur. I mean, that system was a joke. Next, we gotta look at 95W. This system could actually form into a tropical cyclone as it bends back to the west or west northwestward, potentially even a strong one, as you can see. Um, Quite a bit of model support, as you can see. GEFS, EPS, all show development, even a typhoon in the next 4, 5, 6 days. Yeah, it's definitely worth watching for development. Next, we're gonna look at 96W, which is actually affected the Philippines, as you can see. Luzon right here, moving into the South China Sea, then threatening China longer term. EPS definitely shows this. I this system is probably the more interesting system because this system is directly in line of making land, multiple land masses. We'll have to see how things develop. This here it is currently. What we have a broad, elongated LSC, mostly convection to the north, but it could tighten up for the next few days. It actually could form, and we could have a tropical cyclone. Wow, that's your Worldwatch.